Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about some addition and subtraction. And so I'm going to write an addition sentence. Can you read this for me? That's correct. 3 plus 12. Now I'm going to use the number line to help me solve this. And I'm going to count on. But if I started at 3, I would have to count on by 12. So one thing I know is that 3 plus 12 is equivalent to 12 plus 3. So I can move those add-ins around. So I'm going to start with 12. And how many do I need to count up? That's correct, 3. So let's count up by 3. So if I started at 12, this would be 13, 14, and 15. Very good. Now, let's go and do another one. This time, we're going to do some subtraction. So I know that during this, if I'm making cookies at my house, if I made 13 cookies and 4 of them were eaten, how many are left? So I'm starting out with 13. So I'm going to start at 13, and because I'm taking them away, I'm moving to the left on the number line. So 4 cookies were eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see how many I would have left. I'm going to count backwards. 13, 12, 11, oh, I think I'm going to erase that, make that a little bit neater. 10, and 9. So I had 13, and I took 4 away, and so I ended up with 9. So there would be 9 cookies left on the plate. I also know that I had 4 cookies that someone ate, and there's 9 left on the plate. I also had 13 altogether. So see how this subtraction relates to addition, because 13 minus 4 equals 9, but 4 plus 9 equals 13. Okay, so now we're going to work with some 10 frames, and I know you're familiar with those. So let's work with some addition. Okay, so I have 9. So I'm going to add in 9 red dots. Let's count so far. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now I'm going to add in 7 yellow dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many dots do I have altogether? Now, before when we added 9 and we counted on one by one. And we could definitely do that here. But what's something that you're noticing about this 10 frame with the red dots? That's correct. It's almost full. So what do we know about a 10 frame when it's full? That is correct. We know there's 10 there. So how many more dots would it take to fill that 10 frame? Let's fill it. So I had 9, and I needed one more to make the 10. So 1 and 6 were 7. So I decomposed that number so I could make 10. And now look, with the 9 and the 1, that makes 10. And I bet we could get this really fast. What is 10 and 6? Oh, I heard that really, really fast. That is 16. So making 10 makes it a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to try that with another problem, addition problem. 8 plus 4. So let's add 8 red dots, 4 more, because I know that makes a double. So I have 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, which I know makes 8. Very good. Now I need 4 yellow dots. Very good. Now I want to make 10. So I have 8 here. I need 2 more to make 10. So I have 10 and 2 more. So what I did was I decomposed the 4 from the yellow dots. So that I could make 10. So this right here, the 8 and 2 made 10, and 2 more. So how many do we have all together? You are right. Well, very good job. Okay, now we are going to add 6 and 7. So I'm going to go ahead and add 6 red dots. And 7 yellow dots. Able to do this pretty quick because I know that this is 5, 6, 7. Very good. Now I'm noticing something. See how this is 6? Are you noticing 6 here? So if I know what 6 plus 6 is, if I know my doubles, how many of you out there know your doubles? Is 12. Oh, that's going to help me, isn't it? Because 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 more. Where did I get 1 more? That's right, because 7. Because if I took 6 from it, if I decomposed it to make my double, I'm left with 1 more. So if I know 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 more, then I know 6 plus 7 is 13. Very good. So I can use my doubles to solve addition problems. So we've been working on doubles. So I have a new addition fact out here, a new addition sentence here. So if I have 5 plus 6, and I'm kind of very quickly moving my dots over into my 10 frame, that really helps me see it. So do you notice a double? That is correct. I have 5 here, and I have 5 yellow. So 5, the red, but I'm going to decompose the yellow into 5 and 1. And the reason I'm doing that is because I very quickly know, because I know my doubles, that 5 plus 5 is 10, and then just 1 more is 11. Very good. Great job today thinking about numbers. And we can count on, we can count backwards, we can make 10 to make a number easier to add, and we can also use doubles to add. Great job today.